We'll guide you through how to get verified on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are on Instagram, and so you wanted to get verified and go and have the blue tick badge. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So there are different ways you can go about this. So one way is if you are a public figure or celebrity, you can go and apply for it. We're going to be covering the more broader way of how you can go and get this. So let's go and get started. We're going to be covering the way where you can go and get this even if you aren't a public figure or celebrity. So come to your Instagram profile as we currently are. Go and press the 3 lines in the top right. And then what you need to do is at the top is you go and find the option for account center, which you need to go and tap. Then you want to scroll down and go and find subscriptions and tap there. You've got Instagram Plus, but we need Meta verified. Mine's in the renew section. I've had it before, so let's tap it. Wait for this to load and you can go through and see the different plans here. So we can go and get the standard as that includes the verified badge. So you can then go and scroll down and press unlock benefits. Then what we can do is we can go and press continue at the bottom. Then what I can do here is go and double tap to go and pay. The review is now in progress, so I can go and click OK, and then you'll hopefully go and get verified.